Hello my lovely Loc Minions and those that are new to my channel. My name is Mfon. I'm a teacher, dancer, hair guru for locks. And on this channel, I'm here to inform, give you tips, tricks on how to take care of these locks for you to love. Let's get straight into the topic. Did you ever wonder, what are these white dots on your locks? That kind of rhymes. I like that. Well, I found out and I discovered that they're called hair bulbs. They look like a bulb. It comes with the journey. And since I've been locked for 3 years and 7 months, you discover so many things about your hair. And at first I called them white dots. I thought I had lice. I was like, what are these things in my hair? And the more I did research, the more that I tried to figure out my hair, it was shed hair. My hair sheds just like everybody hair sheds. The only difference is with locks, you keep the shed hair, and over time, those hairs have bulbs at the end of them, and they tend to be either white, a light brown, or whatever the color your scalp is, but it's lighter than your hair, and you'll see it all through your locks. And I nearly lost my mind. And I know some people, out of fear of not knowing, they'll try to pluck those out. They'll try to do all kinds of things to get rid of it. And the main thing that I do personally is I dye my hair with henna. Henna does the job. It dyes the bulb the color that I'm dyeing my hair, and then it blends in. You don't really even see it anymore. And I do this once every 6 months. And then that maintains and keeps the white dots at bay. I don't really see a lot in my hair, not unless like I'm stressing and I know I have a tendency for my hair to fall out. So, but other than that, I just dye my hair. Some people might have a different way to handle that situation. If you have any ideas and other ways to handle the white dots or the hair bulbs, comment below and let me know. I would like to see how you handle those things. But can you do me a favor real quick? Come here. Go to my channel and watch some videos.